Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Yay! I have something so exciting today to share with you guys. I'm going to be working on the first page in my illustrated Bible, and I have done a little bit of a page kit for everybody. Let's see. When I first got the Bible, I went, wow, this is huge, and I have to do a special thank you to a girlfriend who sent it to me. Long story short, very expensive to pay in Canadian and duties and taxes, and Days Spring shipping is not nice to Canadians. So I decided not to get the Bible, and it showed up one day and I was so excited to get it. So then we go, now what are we going to do? And a lot of people had asked for tabs in the Bible. So I made up all these really pretty tabs in like a rose gold that match the Bible. So those are up in the shop, and I was a little nervous to start in the Bible. I didn't know what to do, and I went, you know what, I really love the writing in here, but I'm not sure how to decorate around it. So I played with it for a while, and I came up with this little page kit, which if you're watching the video, you can get it for free. Just look down below in the description of the video. There will be a link for you that you can get it as well. So I have printed it and cut it on white sticker paper. There'll be a link for that as well. And it's so exciting. First page, very nervous. So I'm going to get just a little craft mat here, because I'm gonna do, I don't want to do anything too crazy yet. So all I'm going to do with this is take a little bit of pink paint and flick it onto my page. Now, I haven't done any tests with this or to see how it holds up to different mediums, but what I wanted to do was just do the pink. So basically, this is all I'm doing, is just flicking a little bit of paint around. That's it. That's as far as I'm going today. You know, you got to work up to these things slowly, so slowly, but I wasn't sure what to do. And then I thought, well, I got to start right on page 1. And I didn't do a dedication page yet, but I wanted to do something for each like title page of the books. So let's just give this a little dry with the heater. We're going to flip it over and see what happened to the other side. I did not prep this. I've heard that there's no prep necessary with paint. So, I mean, watercolor is going to be different, of course, because watercolor just doesn't react to any kind of paper except watercolor paper unless you prep it. So I will prep a page to do watercolor with. So let's get started. So with the freebie, I did put the word Genesis in here for you. If you don't have this Bible and you want to create in, you know, any other Bible, you can do title page, right? So I gave you the word and gave you some stuff. So I'm just gonna play and see. So I think I tried to grab a couple verses, and my plan is to do this for every book in the Bible. So you will find those up in the shop as I go along. So let's start with that. So excited. My first sticker in the Bible. I can't handle this. So I just cut out the elements, and with the black, what I did is I did a -0.3 cut so that it did not cut the black lines. I just personally didn't want them for the title page, but so. And I added some extra elements in there for you if you would like to, you know, add something different. And I'm really excited to see these pages. So please, if you are in our Praise and Pray group, show me these title pages and tell me, do you want more? Like, I think I need these for every book in the Bible. So let me tell you a story. Today I'm waiting for Hubs to come back. He's been in the UK for a week. So Ryan was here this week, and he was I don't know where I'm going to put this. He was doing Christmas lights. Oh my gosh, I can't even get started on the amount of Christmas lights we did. We have 4 acres of land, and we did so many lights. So then Ryan and Amanda headed home yesterday, and I was working downstairs. It was gorgeous. And then guess what? I went upstairs. My furnace won't work. It's cold here. My furnace won't work. I'm like fit to be tied. I don't know what to do. I'm calling Ryan. He's back home now. My niece's husband ended up being at work and helping me out, and we got on Facebook and I showed him the pictures, and we have turned the furnace off, so my hands are like purple. They're so cold. So I'm very anxious for Hubs to come back, because yes, I need heat, people. I'm going to go and I think make a big fire and let that heat up my house upstairs. But I really wanted to work on this page, and I got so excited. I ran downstairs this morning to work on the page, and guess what? Come on, guess what happened? My camera battery was dead. So I could not do the page. So silly. And I kind of think with these like huge margins that I really don't want to cover up the word in this Bible. There's just something about it that I don't want to cover up the word. I do like the Bible. Yes, it's a very beautiful Bible. The writing is very tiny. I don't think I will read out of this Bible, but I do like the huge margins to create in this Bible. And I'm thinking, do I have a ruler? I never really even measured them, so let's give it a measure. So there's about almost 4 inches in here to create in. So that's really good. And I'm gonna take, let's see, I like the words, so I'm gonna take God bless them, and I'm gonna put that right here in between, so I'm not covering anything up. And I think the let there be light I will put at the bottom. So just a little fun quick page. I'm so excited that I've got this done in my Bible, my very first page. Yay! I'm so excited right now. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a really quick video. I just wanted to give you guys something to celebrate and just let God in. Let Him into your hearts, and every day thank Him. Be grateful and thank Him for what we have. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Every week we have a new video tutorial, and some are, longer, some are shorter, and we do give out freebies just on our channel, so you do want to get notified of those videos. So thank you all so much for joining me. I'm just going to take a little washi and washi some key things, and we're done. So I hope you enjoy the kit. Thank you for joining me. God bless you, everyone. Till next time. Bye-bye.